Guys, I officially have a new addition to my femininity course. So one part of the syllable will be not only training Filipinas to be more feminine and baby girl and soft life, but also one of the potion that Filipina women can use on Caucasian men that will really make a lot of Caucasian men crazy is perfecting our traditional Filipino adobo. And I got that ideas from these girls. Look! Hi guys! O, diba? Ginamit nila sa kanilang mga partner. At itong isa ginamit sa kanyang apam na partner. Naloloka. Ayaw nang tumikim ng ibang ulam. Adobo na lang forever. Come here. Oh, this girl.
Tested and proven, my husband, wants to have more kids after adobo.
Because of your adobo?
Yeah.
What kind of adobo exactly?
I have a secret recipe.
Or is that the one with the toyo or with the suka?
No, it's with chicken liver for me.
Oh.
My grandma's recipe. But I tweak it, I put love.
Kaya in love na in love.
Yeah,
I'm
my
happy. Okay, so guys, remember, Filipina ladies, perfect your adobo, okay? Because that's a love potion.
Love potion.
I am such a fan and I actively promote intercultural relationships because you know what? One of the many benefits of it are beautiful children. And so, if you are wondering like what does it look like if, for example, an Indian is married to an Afghan and they have babies, you know how they're gonna look like? Let me show you right now because I've met a beautiful woman here and I was like, what are you made of, girl? Her name is...
Sila, nice to meet you all.
Hi, Sila. You're from where?
I'm from India and Afghanistan. That's where my parents are from, and I'm from Toronto.
And Sila, you have a very beautiful eye.
Thank you.
My God. And she has a fascinating story about her parents. So how did your parents meet again?
My parents actually met in India. My dad went over to his cousin's house and he saw my mom. She was just a family friend.
And what did your dad say?
And he said, I like her, I want her.
And that's it.
That was it. Now that they got married, they have me. Happily ever after.
Very beautiful. And you know what? That's how it works before. You see somebody that you feel that you're attracted to and you say, I want her, I like her. And that's it. Happily ever after, beautiful child.
That's it.
But right now, you cannot do that anymore because the one that's gonna say that, a lot of them are predators, so be very careful, okay? Alright, thank you for watching, guys.